Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Colorado River RV Campground in Columbus, Texas. If I ever get arrested, it might as well be in Columbus, Texas. I mean, check out this stained glass dome here. It's gorgeous. Not only that, I know exactly where to find a lawyer right across the street. Now that's a business card there. Clearly the most interesting building downtown is the Confederate Museum, which is in a water tower. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go inside. According to the Chamber of Commerce, this museum is owned by an elderly lady who works by appointment only. Now, this campground is quite small, but they're in the process of adding a whole bunch of campsites and doing renovations, so the pool and the clubhouse were both closed during my stay. So at the time of this recording, there's really only a couple activities to choose from: hiking and fishing. It so happens that this campsite opened up just as I arrived. So not only did I have the Colorado River, but I was right next to this meadow with haystacks and deer. At the time of this recording, Colorado River RV Campground is a very small park with a very beautiful, tranquil country setting. Now, I appreciate quiet and laid back, but eventually I do need some activities to keep me busy. Now, with the expansion in progress, that might be coming. But right now, this is a good 2 to 4 night stop, I think. It's a perfect location right near the Louisiana border. If you're a Thousand Trails member, you probably well know that there are certain gaps in the middle of the U.S. where there aren't Thousand Trails campgrounds. So this is sort of your first campground coming east to west. So I got to tell you, after traveling from Florida for a few days, it's nice to see my free full hookup campsites again. So if you'd like to find out more about Thousand Trails and how you can stay at well over 100 different campgrounds, full hookup for free, if you get the add-on, which is really cheap, you can stay at almost 300 different campgrounds across the U.S. for free. Check out my description page. Okay, guys, if this has been helpful to you, do give me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel grow, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.